Hello guys, good evening everyone. How was your like weekend? Good evening, Garga. Have you practiced the previous codes like we discussed about bcrypt and how we can store our passwords inside the database, right? Have you practiced everyone? If anyone have doubt in bcrypt and password saving in database, please ask me. I'll explain it again, and I'll move to the next topic, which is JWT. JWT. Anyone have doubts in bcrypt? So you all understood the bcrypt concept, right? Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible or not? Yeah. So I'm moving to the JWT and sessions and cookies. So can I do it? You all understood the previous concept, right? Fine, I'm moving. So we have seen how we haven't seen how these passwords are saved inside the browser, right? So for this we use something known as JWT, which is JSON Ob- we need to install the package known as JWT. So which is JSON Web Tokens, which creates the tokens for our encryption model. Okay, we will try to print and we'll see how exactly it works. Give me a minute. So let's install the few packages and see. I will go to the terminal and I need to install JSON Web Token and cookie parser. So our packages are installed and you can see these are installed inside the package.json. Oh, yeah, we found it. So we can use them inside our app and we can import those. Sorry, can you see the screen or can you see the screen? Anyone? Okay. So give me a minute. I'm relaunching the MongoDB server. So you all understood the this MongoDB, how we can combine with backend, right? Everyone understood? Or if anyone having the issue, because today is the last day for the backend, and from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start the front end with HTML and CSS. So basically, I might take tomorrow also classes, because few classes in the next week might miss. So I'm thinking to take classes tomorrow. So you guys are available, right, tomorrow? Anyone have no issue? Okay, MongoDB. Pavitra, I'll I'll tell you later in the group. I haven't decided yet. I'll tell you. So our MongoDB is activated. So let's get into coding. So basically, we need to import two packages as we discussed. Like I need JWT, and I'm gonna declare one variable called JWT required, and the name is JSON Web Token, and another library is cookie parser. So this cookie parser, what it does is, like we will give the JWT, right, when user logins. So we need to send one token to the browser, right? So when it asks for another request, along with the request, it will send the cookies, whatever cookies it have, it sends us. So when it sends, we need to parse the token, right? The cookies, we need to parse those and we need to analyze it. So for the parsing method, we use this cookie parser, and we need to get from cookie parser package. Okay. Then what? Then I need to create another middleware. Whenever a request comes to our server, our app should parse the cookies. How? Same as the previous JSON and URL encoded parser. So basically, it will parse the whatever cookies coming from the request. So then we need to create this JWT, where we need to, like, I need to create one function so I can use it inside the functions. So I'm gonna create one function called is log in, and I'm gonna take and next. So basically, this is a middleware, some kind of middleware, where our it will check before going to the other routings. It will check whether the user is logged in or not. So for this purpose, we are using this function, and let's see how we can use it. So I'm declaring one variable, and I need to get it from cookies. Which cookies? This thing will come here, and if there is no cookie, we need to direct our user to the login page, because we don't have the credentials of him. Okay. Then, so if we found the cookie, then what we need to do? We need to verify the JWT token. How? We need to declare one variable, and then we use JWT and verify function, and inside it we need to pass the token. Which token? The token we receive from the request. So let's say in order to verify, I need to pass one secret key. Secret key is nothing but some kind of string. Let's say, so basically in the applications, we need to give this secret key, which is unique. But as we are doing only example, I'm just giving some random string. Let's say this is the correct. Okay. 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 We got the verification. Then what we need to save the data of the user. And this next function will move to the next functions, like whatever, if the request is asking for slash post or slash login or slash this, it will send to these routings after completing of this. Okay. If there is any error, we need to solve that using the catch method. As a response, I will give this. So let's go to the post sign up. Here, I need to just add few lines of code so that our JWT will be stored and sent as a response along with this. Okay. It's just a lines of code like previous one. Previously, we created the hashing, right? Same, I want a token that needed to be generated. How? I need to generate using this sign, and inside it I need to pass some information in order to generate the token. For that I am using email and user ID. And I need to pass the same secret key as previous one. Here we used this one, right? Here also I need to send the same secret key, which is random one. And I need to send the response. How I can send it? With this one. Okay. Slash token. So if any user signups, they will get one token and it will be saved in their browser itself. And let's print this one in our console.log, and I want to print this, and I'll show you in the browser also whether it is creating or not. And let's run this app. It is running on 3002. what is the port? 2003. Okay, let's create a new user. And I want to create random person. Let's share JWT again. And, okay, when I click it, our user is successfully created. And if you go here and check for the cookies and go to the cookies, you must see this cookie, this token with the value of this. If you go to your console and see, you get the same token. Got it? Everyone understood about how we can create this token? And I'll show you another thing. Like, I'll make one request. Let's say on what we have. Okay. When any other request made by this server, it need to send the same JWT to our server. And let's see how it works. Let's create another route so that we can see as an example. Okay. Let's instead of going to the slash, let's create new one. I want to create app.get slash profile, let's say. It will check for if the user is logged in or not. Async, request and response. We can only visit this page if the user is logged in. Okay, this is the purpose of it. It will first go here, it will check for it. If the user is logged in, then only it will allow us to visit this page. That is the idea behind it. And I need some information like who is logged in. For that, don't worry, I'll explain from beginning. Just see what is going on for now. Okay, I'm extracting the email from request and I'm sending some response. And it should say welcome, and here's the document. And let's say user.email, so it will extract the email and the tag will be We will discuss about these tags and other tags in the next class because we're starting the front end. And it will move to the logout page. Have we implemented? We haven't implemented the logout page, I guess. We need to do that also. Let's just route slash. Or yes, let's type that also. Let's print the token. And I want to redirect to the home screen. So let's run again and see. And also we need to make some small change. We need to go here and here I need to mention if the user is logged in, you need to go to the profile. Define. Maybe we haven't seen that, or there is some typo. Here. See, we got the Jyoti. Even if I don't have, even if I reload or do anything, it is still coming. Why? Because of the cookies. And every time when I ask something, and let's go to the another tab, and let's say I want to go to the home screen. Or profile. It won't ask me for the login. Why? Because we implemented the JWT. So let's go to the code again and try to figure out what exactly is happening. And I'll tell you. So when we go to the server, let's say slash profile, it will first go to this function. What is this? This is nothing but a middleware, same as this one. Any request that comes to our server need to go to the middlewares first. Then only it will go to the like selected routings. If I go to the slash profile, it won't go to the directly. It won't go directly here. It need to come first here, and after whole process of checking the JWT, it need to go to slash profile. Got it? That is the purpose of the middlewares. And also, we created this JWT token using JWT.sign, which means it will make some unique hashed uh, token from this secret key. It can be any secret key. You can give your name or anything, but it should be unique one that hacker couldn't find it. Okay, and along we need to send it to the as a response along with the output also. Like sending the two responses. One is cookie and one is whatever we want to show to the user. Okay, everyone understood this JWT and sending the code in the chat box. Please let me know if you have doubt or uh, do the do understand it. After this, I'll conduct one quiz at 6:35. I'll share the link. Meanwhile, you guys try to run this. If you found any error or any doubt, let me know. I'll explain. Guys, I shared the link for the quiz. If the code is completed, you can join the quiz. No worries, I can wait only if completed. Anyone completed, you can join the quiz and wait for the participants for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will start the quiz. Hmm. Ashka, I can see only 10 people, so I'm waiting for the people. So I'll start in 2 minutes. Guys, everyone, try to attend it in 2 minutes. I can see only 12 people are there in the quiz. Guys, fast, join the quiz. I'm gonna start at 6:40. Pavitra, I send the link. You can join. So guys, I'm starting it. Pin is 419725. 419725. That is the pin. Okay, I'm starting it. Jyoti, it is already started. Jyoti, actually, you need to click on the next button on the right side. If you click on it, it will go for, and it is only 20 seconds. You need to select the option within 20 seconds. And then you need to click next. Pratik, it is already started. People are. Uh, Kathy, I already shared. People are also with no text and no questions. Is it everyone? Everyone is facing the same issue. Let me know. Oh, oh, okay, okay. I'm creating the new game. No worries. Everyone exit the previous one. I'll create the new one. Okay, okay. No worries. Everyone exit that previous one. I'll share a new one. Guys, I shared a new quiz. Please join it. Please exit the previous one. Guys, are you ready? I'm starting it. Okay, I'm starting. Let's go. Is it? Oh, yes. Acha, it's okay. No worries. I'll create the new one tomorrow. You guys can keep for today. Sorry for the trouble, guys. I'll try to resolve it and we'll conduct another one. And you guys, I'll share one PDF with the whole topics covered, or whatever you have learned, and also try to give one task to build something around it. And you can learn those topics, and I'll conduct overall quiz on all topics. Yeah, I'll share the PDF and the task in the group by today night. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great weekend.